Hello everyone, good day. Welcome to my channel. Today I discuss what is offshore accident lawyer. Offshore accident lawyer, offshore accident lawyer job. What is offshore accident lawyer job? So let's go. What is offshore accident lawyer? It's a lawyer who handles offshore injuries. This could cover employment and vessels, contract commercial drivings, oil strings workers, and other support area. It's covered things from ashore handling truck supply vessel to aviation service that settles rosterboard. In these settings, it's important determines which law apply. You have to Jones Acts, Longshore Harbour Worker Compensation Act, Outer Continental Shelf Lands Act, State of State-based worker comp, and other possible law. Figuring out which law apply is determined by geography, jurisdictions, person jobs, type of structure, and vessels. As a fishing versus model, time spent aboard a vessel this percentage could become critical which commercial drivers assigned to the vessels, test for seamen's status and other criteria. The reason these things are important is that an employment right could vary depending on which law are applied. Sometimes that itself is a bitterly contested issue. The maritime litigations, as some laws are more generous than other their benefits. Next, I discuss what does work an offshore accident lawyer. What does work offshore accident lawyer? Offshore accident lawyer is very important for offshore worker. Offshore accident lawyer working abroad can be excited, but it can also be dangerous. Accident and injuries are regular, sometimes tragic. No matter how many safety precautions and takes, dangerous conditions in offshore platform, crew boats, hiccup rings and tankers, as well as the waters, can cause catastrophic damage and offshore workers. Workers are often less trained and take longer shifts with limited rest, which increase the risk of injuries. An offshore accident lawyer cause serious injury can be emotionally and finally devastating for the victims. It can be difficult to know where to start when seeking compensation for personal injury and untimely deaths. Contacting an offshore accident lawyer with knowledge of personal injury and maritime law, who can figure out of a way out of the complexities of your case and help you achieve the quickest recovery possible, is a smart place. Guys, today I know what is offshore accident lawyer. What does offshore accident lawyer? Today I more discuss some common type of offshore injuries, traumatic brain injury. So let's go discuss some type of offshore injuries. TBIs can be sustained in any number of ways. Offshore workers are consistently putting themselves and constructions and industrial as like as environments. A blow to the heads from a slip or down, or being struck by a swing of unsecured cargo. It can cause traumatic brain injury. This can result in permanent cognitive and personal change. Today I discuss three topics. What is offshore injuries lawyers? Some topics are very important, some are not very important. But I think offshore accident lawyers job is very critical and important for offshore workers. Offshore is very important for our country, for our shipments, for our factory and others. Offshore lawyers job is very critical, I think. Figuring out which law apply determines geography, jurisdictions, etc. Another thing we can discuss about offshore lawyer, the amount of danger taken. Working offshore and in oil field, the extremely high risks available. We know that offshore oil field work is very risky work. The steps you may be inclined to take get oil and gas out of the grounds may not even permit in many other company pockets on oil or gas because of how lucrative and the result can be when you can hit pocket of oil or gas. You may feel pressured but your employer or our employee to engage it unsafe practice or take big risks to get your work done. Those exercises are often comfortable, commonplace. However, in order to lessen the perceptions of their negligence, your employer may try to show that you didn't have to engage of these high risk behaviors. Offshore accident lawyer. Guys, today I discussed total 4 items. What is offshore accident lawyer? What does offshore accident lawyer? The amount of dangers taken, some common type of offshore injuries, traumatic brains injury, etc. Guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and if you want to see this type of video, please comments. Thank you. Good day.